don't track it as a cost of the material going in and what's it add to the life of that. I track it as what does it mean to us in other terms? Are we gonna have to wait and go crack fill and put a 12-man crew out there? Whereas if I can do it from the back of a truck, I got an attenuator and a couple flaggers out there. We do it with as minimal people and involvement as possible. And I think there's where we gain significant savings.
I'm just going to mention too, you know, I think it's an RPE. I think, Greg, that's what we use on Highway B. One of our busier truck traffic, many quarries that go along that road. We pulverized, paved it, put about 4.5 inches of asphalt down, and that road was closed. So we did that product right after we were done paving. So it was extremely cost effective. If you can hammer these things right off the bat, when the road is closed, when there's nothing, you know, nothing that from a, you don't have any flagging operations generally speaking or anything. And I know that particular road's going on 2 years now, and we haven't touched it, but you wouldn't expect that, but it is a heavy traffic and heavy truck traffic road, so.
I would say, at least from our perspective, every indication that I'm getting right now from that RPE and that J-band is if we do those two at least consistently on our system, if I can go 7 miles versus 9, I'm somewhere between $600 and $1 million a year that I'm saving in that expense, right? And so just trying to get that system to have that length in life is going to save us that infrastructure cost over time, year after year.